It'll be like camera action and part 3 to the movie, to the sequel. You recording already? Wow. All right, let's make millions. Here we go. All right. Long story short. My promotional, no.
Like a girl.
Yeah, my promotional is like my baby. I think I have a baby, and if I don't, I'm gonna make one tonight because I have a date at 10, and we're gonna go to like Salas probably. Oh, look, see, and I don't know, drink a Rockstar because Rockstars are bomb. But anyways, yeah, I act like a girl sometimes, and I don't care.
Talk like a girl.
Oh, I talk like a girl.
Yeah.
But because I was born a girl, but like the mustache and everything else came out, and that's why I'm the way I am. Really, I think so.
What the fuck?
Psych. You're like psych.
Everyone wants to see your mangina on camera.
Serio? Well, you can't see it, because this is my kid. This kid, no. It kind of looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does, no. No, I think it's mine. No. Alright, over now.
True story.
Yeah, true, oh yeah. Real life, true story shit, like.
Alright, why do you drink?
Why do I
True
drink?
life.
True life shit.
I'm an alcoholic.
I am an alcoholic, because I like the feeling. I want to take a shot of all these bottles right now, because I want to get drunk. It's Friday. See, he does too. Yeah, he knows what he's talking about. He's like, look, chop it, chop it.
Like, wait, fuck no.
Chop it. No, just kidding. Say something. Something.
Yeah, that's just really funny.
Millions right there.
Hell yeah.
Hey, put it on YouTube. Right? Can you do it?